Did you know that some species of animals form lifelong mating bonds? One fascinating example is the albatross. These majestic seabirds are known for their incredible loyalty to their partners. Albatrosses engage in elaborate courtship dances, which help them form strong pair bonds. Once they find a mate, they stick together for life, raising their chicks together and sharing parenting duties. Scientists believe that this lifelong bond increases their chances of successfully raising offspring in the harsh environments they inhabit. So, next time you see an albatross, remember that you're looking at one of nature's most devoted partners.